The 2005 Saturn Ion. The Ion's designers accounted for almost everything but compromise. It's nimble yet strong, modern but inviting, sporty yet safe and sound. Featuring the U.S. government's highest possible front crash test rating, 5 stars. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, front air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, fog lights, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.